So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate a CSS Doodle Art Piece from a code. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and you don't even need to actually write a code. Just simply go to the website, which is css-doodle.com. Just simply go over there, and here you're gonna see it has already generated some of the CSS Doodle art pick right there. You can customize them as per your needs, and you can change them as well. And still, once you satisfied with your changes, like if I want to use this one, I can directly get the CSS for it right there. Here you can see the CSS is on the right side, and I can directly copy it and paste it in my projects and use it. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.